Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to play worship. The very first tutorial on worship, if you've not played worship before in drums, it's very easy. Let's go. So this is the basic and most easiest way of playing worship before you start adding other things to it. Now I'm going to break it down slowly. My left leg is just going on there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go. Now it's going like this. My heart is just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't do this for the very beginner, you can skip this part. So you go to 1. Now we're gonna add this one. I'm gonna go very slow.